Is Rocket Money free to download? Intro. Question hook. Ever wondered if there's a way to save a bit of cash on your monthly bills? Well, today, we're diving into a popular app that claims to do just that. It's called Rocket Money. But before you download it, let's tackle the burning question: is Rocket Money free? Building context. Personal anecdote. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a good deal? I've been there, scrolling through my bank statements, feeling a pang of guilt over those recurring charges that seem to creep up out of nowhere. It's like a financial horror story. That's when I stumbled upon Rocket Money. It promised to help me identify and cancel unnecessary subscriptions. The appeal of Rocket Money. So, what exactly is Rocket Money? It's essentially a personal finance app that scans your bank and credit card accounts to find recurring charges. It then categorizes them and gives you the option to cancel any subscriptions you no longer need. Sounds great, right? But is it worth it? Is Rocket Money free? The free trial. Okay, let's get to the point. Is Rocket Money free to download? Well, yes and no. You can download the app for free, but to access its full features, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan. Paid plans. There are a few different subscription options available. The most basic plan offers a limited number of features, while the premium plans unlock everything the app has to offer. Free versus paid. What's the difference? So, what do you get with the paid plans that you don't get with the free trial? Well, here's a breakdown of the key differences. Subscription cancellation. The paid plans allow you to automatically cancel subscriptions that you no longer want. This is a huge time saver. Credit score monitoring. You'll also get access to credit score monitoring, which can help you keep track of your financial health. Personalized financial advice. The premium plans often include personalized financial advice from experts. Is Rocket Money worth it? Weighing the pros and cons. Now that we know Rocket Money isn't entirely free, the big question is it worth paying for? To answer that, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Can help you save money by canceling unnecessary subscriptions. Easy-to-use interface. Provides valuable financial insights. Cons. Requires a paid subscription for full functionality. May not be able to cancel all subscriptions. Personal experience. Based on my own experience, I found Rocket Money to be a valuable tool. It helped me identify and cancel several subscriptions that I didn't even realize I was still paying for. However, it's important to note that your mileage may vary. Conclusion. Final thoughts. So, is Rocket Money free to download? Yes, but to get the most out of it, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan. Whether or not it's worth the cost depends on your individual needs and financial situation. Call to action. If you're interested in trying Rocket Money, I encourage you to download the app and take advantage of the free trial. That way, you can see for yourself if it's a good fit for you. Closing remark. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time.